Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm glad you guys decided to join me for another video this week. We're going to look at doing some wall art. It's very easy, very inexpensive, and you can actually customize it any way you want. The great thing is that most of the supplies came from the Dollar Tree, and so you can find them anywhere you live. Let's get into the video, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so we're going to just start by taking the frame apart. That way we can remove the glass and the backing. We want to get the outside frame ready to go ahead and add the Mod Podge. That way we can apply the fine glitter. We're going to use the sponge brush to paint the Mod Podge onto the frame, and then we're going to slowly add the glitter on. We're going to work in sections, that way that the Mod Podge doesn't dry. This is what the frame looks like once the glitter and the Mod Podge is applied. Then you're going to take your contact paper and apply it to the backing. No additional glue is needed because the contact paper is very sticky. Once the contact paper is applied to the backing, you should have a very smooth surface to apply your wall decals. This one says, "Inhale courage, exhale fear," a motto of mine I like to live by. Once it's applied, this is what it should look like. I went ahead and applied some paper to the backing for this frame. Then I applied the Mod Podge all over the paper. That way I could get a great coating for the glitter to stick to. Once you apply the glitter to the Mod Podge, it sticks very well. The great thing about the Mod Podge is that even though it looks like it's going to dry with the white showing, once the Mod Podge dries, it shows a very pigmented color. So you don't have to worry about what it looks like now. Once it dries, it's going to look like this. Once the first two coats got done, I decided that I wanted to add some more, and I wanted the magenta to merge into pink, and this is what it looks like after. Then I just went ahead and started to apply the decals. Basically, I kind of put it in a way that I liked. The wall decal will show you what it should look like, but it's up to interpretation. This is what the finished product looked like. So for the third set of frames, I wanted to add a little bit of glam to the whole project. I found this trim in the Dollar Tree, and I thought it would really upgrade the whole frame. It's very easy to apply. Hot glue from the hot glue gun works phenomenally. All you do is cut the strips to size and then apply with the hot glue gun. It takes no time at all for it to stick, and the drying time is minimal. The frame on the left is what you should get as a finished product. So for the backing in this one, I just wanted to add a little bit more pizzazz. I took the hot glue gun and drew random shapes and patterns over the backing that originally came in the frame. Then I just went ahead and applied the glitter. You want to work quickly with this part of the project because the hot glue will dry very quickly. If it dries too quickly for you to add the glitter, then just go ahead and make sure that you peel the hot glue off, the hot glue that's dried, and then go ahead and try again. Make sure you reuse the glitter as needed so that way you don't waste your products. Continue this project as you desire. So here you guys will see me apply the cactus vertically. Once I got done though, I really didn't like the aesthetic of the cactus being vertical, so I went ahead and changed it to being horizontal. Like I said, this project is up to your interpretation and you do it any way that you see fit. I did go ahead and change the cactus to being in a horizontal position, and then I went ahead, outlined it in hot glue, and applied the glitter. And I think it came out way better this way. What do you guys think? This is the final product. I think the whole project came out very well. I think that each of the frames stand out on their own, yet they still go ahead and complement each other. I think this is a great addition to my wall. It adds pizzazz, and it goes ahead and shows a little bit of eclectic funk. I really hope you guys enjoy that DIY. It is really up to interpretation on how you decide to make your frames. The great thing about Dollar Tree is that they have a variety of the wall decals, and so you really have a plethora to choose from. If you guys decide to go ahead and try this project, please definitely tag me, haiku_creations on Instagram, and let me know how you like this project. Definitely make sure you guys subscribe and like. Comment down below and share with a friend. I've decided that I want to post on Tuesdays. I feel like that'll be a great day for you guys to come join me and enjoy the DIY club. Remember to check out Denise T216. She's the one behind all of this creative, dope music that you hear on my channel. She's an amazing artist and you should definitely check her out. I have some really exciting projects upcoming, and I hope you guys follow along. I look forward to seeing you guys next week, and I hope you have a great day, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. All right, bye y'all.